Hello and welcome to our video titled 100 Modern Agriculture Machines That Are at Another Level. Today, we'll take you through some of the most advanced and impressive machinery used in modern agriculture. These machines represent the cutting edge of technology, efficiency, and productivity in farming. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video. Tractors are the backbone of modern agriculture. Today's tractors come with advanced features like GPS navigation, automated steering, and data analytics to optimize farming operations. Combine harvesters are incredible machines that combine reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single process. Modern combines are equipped with precision farming technology to increase yield and efficiency. Ensure that seeds are planted at the correct depth and spacing. Modern seed drills can be programmed for different crops and soil conditions, ensuring optimal growth. Planters are used for sowing seeds in rows throughout a field. The latest planters come with variable rate technology, which adjusts the planting rate according to soil conditions and seed type. Modern sprayers are equipped with sensors and GPS to ensure precise application of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. This technology reduces waste and minimizes environmental impact. Balers compress and bind hay, straw, or silage into bales. Today's balers come with features like moisture sensors and automatic tying mechanisms for increased efficiency. Plows are used to prepare the soil for planting by turning it over. Modern plows are designed to minimize soil disturbance and preserve soil structure, promoting better crop growth. Modern irrigation systems use sensors and automation to provide precise water delivery. Systems like drip irrigation and center pivots ensure that crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. Threshers separate grains from stalks and husks. Advanced threshers are designed to handle a variety of crops and provide clean, high-quality grain with minimal effort. Grain carts are used to transport harvested grain from the field to storage facilities. Modern grain carts come with features like GPS tracking and automated unloading to streamline the harvest process. Self-propelled forage harvesters. These machines are used to harvest forage plants to make silage. They are equipped with powerful engines and cutting-edge technology to maximize efficiency and throughput. Cultivators are used to prepare the soil by breaking up clods and removing weeds. Modern cultivators come with adjustable tines and depth control to suit different soil types and conditions. Automatic milking systems. Automatic milking systems, or robotic milkers, have revolutionized dairy farming. These systems allow cows to be milked with minimal human intervention, improving efficiency and animal welfare. Hay rakes gather cut hay into windrows for drying. Modern hay rakes are designed to minimize leaf loss and create even windrows for better drying. Cotton pickers are specialized machines for harvesting cotton. The latest models feature advanced picking mechanisms and GPS technology to increase yield and efficiency. Manure spreaders distribute manure evenly across fields to fertilize crops. Modern spreaders are equipped with sensors and variable rate technology to optimize application rates. Potato harvesters dig up potatoes and separate them from the soil. Advanced models come with features like automatic depth control and gentle handling to prevent damage to the potatoes. Vineyard tractors are specially designed to navigate the narrow rows of vineyards. They come with attachments for tasks like pruning, spraying, and harvesting grapes. Fruit harvesters are used to pick fruits like apples, oranges, and cherries. Modern fruit harvesters use gentle picking mechanisms and sorting systems to ensure high-quality fruit. Autonomous tractors are a glimpse into the future of farming. These driverless machines use advanced sensors and AI to perform tasks like planting, spraying, and harvesting with minimal human intervention. Throughout this video, we've explored the remarkable innovations in modern agriculture machinery. These machines not only enhance productivity but also contribute to sustainable and efficient farming practices. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Leave a comment below to let us know which machine impressed you the most. See you in the next video.